Alright, sixth graders, this is a video on the color value scale, and I'm using blues. And remember, we have our regular color from the bottle is a hue. The tint was made with white, and you should have done that first, and now we're going to be working with shades. So I still have this palette full of tints, and now I need to add black to help with shades. So I'm going to come over here and grab black. And if you remember from the first video, we do not want black and white mixing because it makes gray. If we have any gray colors, I'm going to make you paint over it. And that's a good thing about paint, because we can certainly paint over it after it dries. Make sure you put those bottles back in the tub so we keep it nice and organized. So I still have my two brushes from the tints. I would suggest you wash those out. I don't have time with this video, so I grabbed another brush, but that means I'm going to have to clean quite a bit. Now, if you can see inside there, I've got some tints on this side because it has white. I'm going to stay on this side with my regular hue, and I don't want to mix the tints with the black, so I'm going to stay on that side. So I have a question for you first. How did we mix the tints? Did we put the blue into the white or the white into the blue? Well, we took the blue and put it into the white. And what that really means is we took the darker color and put it into the lighter color. So to make our shades, we're going to take our darker color and put it into our lighter color. Okay? So I'm going to take some of my blue that has no white on it, and I'm going to move it right here. Staying away from that tint. Okay? And now this has blue on it. I don't need to get another brush. I just need to take a small amount of black. I don't know if you can see how much black. There's not very much on there. Okay? It doesn't take very much black to change a hue. Okay? Now blue is one of the darkest colors we have. I'm going to go ahead and mix that. You can certainly use the other end of the brush if you want to. And it's hard to see if it changed at all. So what I have to use is my test strip. Make sure you get it on the edge. And then take that and see, did it change? And yes, it did change. So now I'm going to paint that value. And I may need to add another layer. Yep, I'm going to need to add another layer, okay? See how much darker that part is? So I'm just going to paint that much, okay, so you guys can see that that's darker, okay? So then I'm going to take more black paint and add it to our blue. And it should be getting darker. And check my test strip, and ooh, that's getting dark. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and shade this. Again, you have to kind of keep the shades thick. Okay. And I would add another layer on that if I can. And then I'm going to take some more black and add it. Okay, check my test strip. And that one's even darker. Okay, it's hard to see on the video, but it certainly is darker. Okay, and I'm going to just leave it like that. That's all the paint I have left. I guess I can try and paint the rest of it. But you want to make sure that you get all 7 values, and when you're done with it, you're going to be putting it on the drying rack, and then you will learn about how to make a contrast design. All right, good luck with your shades from this video.